Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and Andre Rieu shared a new song, a new performance from his own YouTube channel and I'm so curious about this performance. First of all, today we are gonna listen Vocalize, crazy song from the Nintgate. This is the theme song of Nintgate. We are gonna listen Andre Rieu Orchestra and I don't know how I can read her name, but Michaela Oste. If it's wrong, please correct me in the comments. Thank you, Andre Rieu YouTube channel, for sharing this performance with us. I'm so curious about this performance, and let's start. Woo. Woo. What a beautiful show. What a beautiful show. Woo. Amazing.
Bravo Mikaela.
Amazing. She's amazing.
Quelqu'un donne un homme sur place de Team Illumination. Mikaela.
Michaela.
Bravo.
Bravo. Woo. What a beautiful art is this. What a beautiful performance is this. This is the end of the magic, my friends. We've listened to a magical show. Very magical, very goosebumping, very enchanting performance from Michaela OST. This is my first time to listen her. Andre Rieu is always suggesting us to listen very cool, very beautiful, very talented singers. He introduced the world Emma Koch. What a beautiful, what a young talent. And now I discovered a new beautiful voice. First of all, she's very beautiful lady. What a beautiful woman, what a beautiful voice she has. Michaela OST, and she sang the vocalize. I felt a very similar experience. I felt very similar emotions when I was listening Dimash Kudaibergen's Ave Maria. Very similar feelings in my perspective, and I love this performance so much. The ice skating together with this performance, very delicious, very beautiful combination, very beautiful choreography for the ice skaters, and what a beautiful musical performances, the orchestra and the singer Andre Rieu. He's a great genius. He's a great genius musician. Thank you, my friends, for watching it together with me. Thank you, Andre Rieu's YouTube channel, for sharing this beautiful performance with us. Let's see you in the next videos. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.